Waterfalls, natural rock slides, cliff jumps, pools hidden in the Dominican rainforest. But is Damajagua actually worth booking on your cruise? And more importantly, can anyone do it? Today we're going to take you through the entire experience so you know exactly what to expect. We're Into Paradise We Travel. We're here to help you turn someday into your next adventure, because adventure is possible no matter what stage of life you're in. If you found us from our video on our experience aboard the Norwegian Prima Eastern Caribbean cruise, welcome back. Hello and good morning. We are here in the beautiful Dominican Republic, and we have a very exciting, adventurous, thrilling excursion coming up. We're going to be doing the 27 waterfalls. It's the Damajagua Waterfalls. I probably completely just butchered the name of it, so please forgive me. But we're doing the 27 waterfalls here in the Dominican, and we cannot wait. We have been told that there are lockers for rent. We will definitely let you know if they're very excited down there to welcome us into the Dominican. We will let you know if there are lockers available. We'll take you through the entire day with us. Let's go check out these waterfalls. We are here in the beautiful Dominican. Headed to our excursion. Gonna explore a little bit because we never been to this port. This will be a new one to us.
We're going to need to go swimming and go down some waterfalls. See if we can't break a leg.
100%. Someone's getting hurt. You guys excited?
So excited!
Dominican!
When we arrived in port, we didn't have much time to spare before meeting at our designated meeting area. But if you're interested in seeing the port, we will add a short walkthrough at the end of the video, so make sure to stick around. When everyone has arrived, you'll be loaded into these safari-style trucks. The ride through the city and into the countryside took us about 45 minutes. Your guide will give you some information about the area, although we were sitting in the back and it was a little hard to hear her with the wind blowing like crazy. Once you arrive, you'll have 10 minutes to grab a locker, purchase water shoes, and put on your helmet and life vest. And it is a fast 10 minutes. So, yeah, here at the waterfall, we literally had, wow, I am a hot mess. We literally had 10 minutes to get ready, to get our pretty water shoes, which, by the way, do not wear Tiva sandals.
Yeah, and you have to make sure you wear closed-toed shoes.
Or else you get a
Very sexy water suit. But here we are, ready for our 40-minute hike into the jungle.
1, 2, 3, 4.
He almost fell. Is that a monkey? This is exactly why you wear closed-toed shoes. It's really pretty here. We asked if there was monkeys, but he said no monkeys. I do hear animal noises. A few stairs. A little bit of a few steps to the top. Where it ends, no one knows.
Just over the hill.
Not sweating at all.
Well, we will.
You were a liar.
Bit of a hike. Excuse me.
You lie. You're sweating.
Profusely. You might be the last set of stairs. Oh yeah. Love these water shoes on these rocky terrain. Literally walking up to walk down. Super close to the waterfall. I hear all the excitement, the zip line. Man. They come in. Oh my gosh. That's cool. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness, it's madness. Oh wow. The stairs are crazy.
Basically a ladder.
Basically a ladder. Very slippery. Woo! Oh, snap. Oh, yeah. Oh my God, this is cool. This is awesome. This is the coolest. I love this. Oh, yeah. Oh my God. Wow. Well, we're not sweating anymore. Oh, it's so cool in here. I love this. Woo. What's the matter? Are you cold? This is the coolest. I love this so far. We are just beginning.
You ready to go?
I'm so excited.
You're gonna like that.
Oh my God, there is a water. You cannot touch here. Oh my God. Oh my. All of like a whole thing of water. Oh, chaotic. Oh my goodness. He makes, wow. He just climbs it.
All right. Jump over there. One,
Ready?
2, 3, do it.
That was a 22-foot jump.
Oh yeah.
22-foot jump. So fun.
All the way to the bottom. Touch the whole thing.
I actually touched the bottom this time. What do you guys think? What do you think?
It's awesome. I'll do it all over again. Can we go back and do it again?
I know. Ah, you should be in good. Oh my gosh, my feet. I feel like I'm getting stabbed with little baby, like little baby needles in my feet.
The pinprick in the bathroom was the first one.
They do this so you go back to the ship and get a massage on your feet. I know the tricks now.
They're in cahoots with the spa lady.
They're working with the spa team. And now here's a couple of important tips for your trip that we wish we had known before. Even though Damajagua is called 27 waterfalls, you actually do 2 natural rock slides and 2 waterfall jumps. The first jump is 18 feet and the second is 22 feet. If you don't feel comfortable jumping, you can slide the entire way. Or if you get there and totally change your mind, there are ladders you can take down to the next pool. The water is cold but feels amazing after a 40-minute hike. It got a little chaotic and crowded at points, but you were broken up into groups, and if you ever get mixed up, just look for your designated guide. They also do not want you to bring anything into the falls, like cell phones or sunglasses, unless you have a waterproof pouch or a waterproof camera. But if you accidentally bring your phone or sunglasses, your guide will have a waterproof pack and he will haul your stuff down for you. The hike takes about 40 minutes, but there are multiple stops along the way for short rests, and they provide a bottle of water for you. But it is definitely rocky and uneven in portions, so definitely something to be noted. If you do not bring a camera, there is a person who will take photos and videos of the entire excursion. It costs about $55 US. They do take cards for that, but make sure to bring cash for the lockers and water shoes if you need them. The water shoes were $10 a pair, and the lockers ranged from $8 to $11 US.
Nosy Bay, Nosy Bay.
Do you have stuff to send me anyway? If we had not just done the waterfalls, I 100% would have come here just to hang out.
This would be a cool port.
This is such a beautiful port. So we just had to try this amazing pina colada. So good, isn't it?
This is great. How you gonna eat it? What you gotta eat it with?
Spoon.
He made a spoon.
You need to cut a little sliver off and make a spoon.
That's so awesome.
All right.
All right. And now we are heading to, this beautiful pool. Oh my goodness, you even, look at that Mexican grill, a rum bar, pool, and it's literally right next here to the ship. Oh my gosh, this is literally so nice. The chairs are beautiful. Oh my goodness. Absolutely gorgeous.
Waterfalls were a hit.
Waterfalls were amazing. I would 100% do that again.
Yes, with the appropriate.
With
The pina colada and the pineapple was yes.
So is the coconut water. It was very refreshing.
The coconut water was refreshing. The port is absolutely beautiful and lovely. So yes, if you do the waterfalls, make sure you stop for a pina colada and a pineapple or some coconut water. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to subscribe. Remember, adventure is possible at any stage of life. And until next time, keep exploring, and we'll see you out there.